Okay, so we got these all in. Simpson ties bolted down on the ground, through bolted, and then up at the top. I found these at Home Depot. I was just going to go with some different brackets, but these ones look nice and definitely do the job. It's also made by Simpson Tie. Now here's one important thing that a lot of people don't get. A lot of people will put these boards up on top and they'll just set them up there. And that's not the way to do it. The way to do it is you got to notch them. So what you're doing is you notch it this way. Earthquake, this thing starts to rock and roll. Okay, fully have this thing tied into the house, and there's a big beam on the inside that's a 2x12 that goes in between the floor joists. Okay, so that's what we tied into. Every 16-inch on center, we got it all lag bolted. If you notice how they're staggered, one high, one low, one high, one low, that's how you get the maximum strength out of that. So we're tied in over here. You got 6 nails into the side of the board on both sides. And I did route these just to make it look a little cleaner. And we did paint the brackets. You can't get those things black. You gotta buy it. You gotta make them. Okay? Then the span goes over. You gotta notch the end of the board. Look like this. That's how you do it. You set the board up there, and you get your angle, and all you do is wherever, when it's leaning, the side that's high, you're gonna measure the high side. Going to transfer it to the other low side, and that's going to give you your exact depth, exactly where you need to be. So you don't have to invent any wheels. You don't have to be no mathematician. All you got to do is be really good at copying and reproducing what you're saying. All right, moving on. Now today's project, I got to finish hand sanding these. Not literally by hand. I got a little electric sander there. Unfortunately, these beams are too big to go through my planer, and it takes literally about a half a day to sand that whole thing down. So I got 2 done. I got 2 more to go, so I can do the other half of my back patio. All right, out.